प्रोड्यूसिंग?
वो ब्रीफली
इमल्सन प्रिपेयर होगा मेडिसिन का।
अच्छा अच्छा।
तो 5 अलग अलग कंपोनेंट्स है, जैसे कि हनी होगा, ऑयल होगा, मेडिसिनल पेस्ट होगा, सबको मिक्स करके एक इमल्सन तैयार करना होता है और वो पेशेंट में एड होता है। तो वो हम एंशिएंट टाइम से हाथ से मैन्युअली प्रिपेयर करते हैं। इसको रिप्लेस करने के लिए एक डिवाइस बनाया है, उससे वो ज़्यादा
So hand is replacing, the machine is replacing.
Yes, ma'am.
The manual procedure is now replaced by the machine.
Automatically.
आयुर्वेदा में मैडम डिमांड बहुत सारे लोग पेशेंट आ रहे हैं और ये हाथ से बनाने में 50 से 55 मिनट लगती है। तो इतने सारे पेशेंट्स का प्रिपेयर करने में पूरा सपोर्टिंग
Ayurved में बहुत ज़्यादा, so this will be very helpful there.
Yes, we have completed in 20 minutes. The paste is ready. Now we are on the procedure of fully automatic. You just put the paste.
So जो काम हाथ से कर रहे हो मशीन से करो, वो स्टार्टअप है। अब देखा करो जगह जगह कौन सा काम हाथ में हो रहा है, वो दैट्स योर स्टार्टअप।
मैडम वेरिएशन है क्योंकि अलग अलग लोगों का अलग अलग बढ़ता है, तो उसमें वो अलग अलग प्रिसीजन नहीं रहता है, एरर होती है। तो लाइक सोडा मशीन आता है, कॉफी मशीन आता है, कैपुचिनो ये है, तो इस तरीके से जो चाहिए वो मेडिसिन रेडी मिलेगी।
They are also patenting it.
So nice, it's a take, that's it. And now there's a visa for this. These are only for Ayurved tourists.
Madam, good evening.
बहुत पॉपुलर हो जाएगा, फॉरेनर्स तो भागे आएंगे ना।
Good evening, ma'am. We are developing an augmented reality based application for the human body, in which we provide the whole detailed view of the human body. And right now I will show you the prototype of that.
What's the end product? What's the objective of this? जैसे उसका emulsion है, आपका क्या है?
Ma'am, हमारा
The main objective is for the education purpose also for the medical use.
You show the demonstration directly.
yes.
So they are playing demonstration, madam. Just a minute.
Tell me your end product.
And product will be made for the education purpose also and
What
for
is
the
he
medical
doing?
research also. He is trying to connect this so we can see a body part or a whole human body through the AR/VR structure, and all the people present over there can see through here.
Actually, it is a HoloLens, so it's projecting something in a hologram like this in our real life. So, is it ready?
Sure, but what is the objective?
Objective is to learn a human anatomy. Dissection is very difficult of a body. Getting the human body for learning is very difficult.
Now, madam, you can see.
You can see entire computer is fitted into that, and you can load the entire anatomy, and they can operate on that also.
So it is without a body, you are creating a body.
Yes, the body is there.
Creating the body. It's for doing understanding post-mortem. Yes, where you don't get a human body.
Ma'am, I need some space, sir.
So you're creating a human body for dissection.
Yeah.
Dissection, learning because there are so many things are there. So once it is body is there, the all names of the body organ, body part, the all skeletals, all will be projected. So person would be here who can be directly can connect with that.
And it's also so unhygienic. Basically, it's very health hazards dealing with those situations.
फोटो पढ़
Whenever he is watching, the name is coming over here on that particular part of it. You can touch and now get some part out of it. So now you can touch and show. Rotate that.
बना हुआ है
And we can add on the layers also on that. So if you want to go on a heart part only or any other part only, so we can go on that. It's in complete 3D like
So
that.
it's a great physiology class.
Yes, and you
It's a
can see
physiology
that.
class. It's a good physiology class to begin with. It's a good physiology class because for students who are studying physiology.
And I can, you can come here. So through mobile app also they can see, you can see in a phone. And I can take the phone inside the body and see, I can see the body part internally.
Yeah,
So that way it works.
that's right. I'm getting closer to it.
इसका फोटो
You can do move inside also.
Yeah.
कैन इट इमेज
You can see inside.
That is to understand physiology. How to understand human body, where it's scaling. Because to diagnose, how to diagnose? Because
This is for learning actually.
it's to understand human physiology.
કેને આ છોકરો છે કોણ કરા છોકરો હા છોકરો હા જે ફેમિલીની અંદર પેલો એ છે ને ટેકનિશિયન
એ તો ખબર છે હા
જયમીન સર
સર
Just rotate yourself.
જયમીન સર ટિંકરિંગમાં
No,
તમારે
no, yourself.
Fingering was-
Or you can come here. Yeah, you can see that. Towards right. You can see
એના
now.
પછી એ ચાર વાળું તો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ
રેડી કર કર્યા છે બધા ફતે
But
રેડી
what I'm
કર
saying is, I think to begin with, it's a great thing because if you see the classroom skeletons hanging,
8 જણા
skeletons hanging,
યા
the physiology class in 10th standard,
Through this model, they can easily steal and do everything without the
without the
physical
skeleton. They can do it themselves as well.
આમાં એ જરી
We can connect this CT scan and MRI scan system through this, so that if a particular person, if we have to diagnose a particular person, so our CT scan shows only the 2D structure, but through this we can show the entire 3D structure of a particular person. If you are a particular
understandable for the patient and the doctor on how
It's
to
a great
work.
thing.
Wonderful. So what ma'am is basically saying is this is one step that you've created. Think of something which probably will help to understand where is
And
the
the
ALS.
next part is that we can connect with the internet and they can hear from that some doctor can operate. It can connect with the robot and robot will do surgery over there.
It's a step.
So the world-based doctor
That's a
can
basic.
work from anywhere.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
And city-wide now startup conference and award ceremonies happening.
Yeah.
2 months after the 3D printer was right there. When they created Ganesh out from the 3D.
રાઈટ રાઈટ
So what I'm saying, these are what's happening right now in a big way.
Ma'am, these are the startup AR/VR. They are students. They have been awarded as best campus startup by government of Gujarat. It's a
Best campus.
best campus startup.
Best campus. This one. What does it say? What does it?
Go ahead, ma'am. Ma'am, we are using augmented reality technology. So we are using augmented reality technology. So while that, if we show the picture, it converts into coded 3D model as well as video. So if we place the camera on it, it shows the 3D model. It has audio narration, so the child knows how to pronounce the word as well as he looks at it, so he get to know about what he's seeing. As well as this can be used in education sector, this can be used for marketing purpose. So if we give someone the brochure of the university,
आप लोग चले जाओ थोड़ा फोटो में
as well as we can, this is from yesterday newspaper.
Where is the Prime Minister? Where is the Prime Minister picture?
That particular video belongs to that news.
I see.
That means
So we will train the model as such, it looks at the image and it gets to know that which video is associated.
So the picture is turned into the video behind it.
Yes, yes,
It's put on. There's a flat, but then the video behind it.
Yes. Can we upload that particular video? So when we just scan the picture, we can see the entire video.
That's a great idea.
Proper marketing.
What if I had the QR code there? I could have clicked the QR code.
On the particular URL.
Ah.
So this is an application.
that kind of things we can use for the kids also. That means we can train their books. That means those who belongs to first, second, third.
Yeah.
And directly there.
So it has a visual with it.
Yes,
So
yes.
you're reading and because that's what my book is. It has the QR code. Where you cover it. In the end, you want to see everything.
Yeah.
It has the QR code.
Apart from that, we
This
can
is
make
great.
real estate based.
So all our books, children's books, say they click and they see 3D.
Yeah. And ma'am, as per the NEC policy, as they are telling us that we have to train our student in their local language. So right now we are working on Gujarati language also.
Regional language.
So we can make this into a different.
I am so sorry, but we're just running short of time.
Yeah,
So
okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
It has a great feel.
Thank you, ma'am.
It is really very nice. It makes your learning much easier.
Yes, ma'am.
So rather than having separately one picture and
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
मस्त फोटो है.
कहीं जाना था भाई, फोटो निकालने क्या बोलना.
मैडम ये काम मैडम. मैडम ये भाई टाइम मैसेज.
So this is very useful in the rural areas where there is a scarcity of specialized doctors. Right. So what we done is general practitioner is doing practice in rural areas. He will take the ECG on his mobile phone and send this report to cardiology specialist doctor or antivirus. So the golden period of that patient can be saved.
It's like a pocket.